Hey guys, this is Mike from Wibuy, and I'm on the floor looking at the kombucha. So we got our starter in there, and it's supposed to take about a week to get our SCOBY going. And you can actually see this literally was done today. And this one has been doing its thing for a couple of days. But you can see this jar has respiration going on. That's not evaporation, that's actually the microorganisms breathing in there. And you can see them down here. Let me wiggle it a little bit. You can kind of see them swaying. That is the culture in there of yeast and bacteria. The reason you can use this to start a batch of kombucha is because it already has all of these probiotics in here. It's got Bacillus coagulans, billion organisms, S. boulardii. It's just got all these different organisms in this. So when you drink it down, all you need is a little bit to get this started. And so we're gonna wait a week until this really solidifies into that gel. And then we're gonna pour our tea in here, for the amount we wanna make. And we're gonna use black tea and green tea with some sugar, and that yeast is gonna interact with the sugars to make it a fermented beverage. It makes a little bit of alcohol, but you don't want too much alcohol or it'll kill that yeast. So you just put a little bit of sugar in, and this is gonna be really interesting to watch. As you can see.